Hi everyone, Laurie's here with me and he's going to show us how he does 22 minus 4. But first, let's make sure that we have $22 here. Can you count it out for them?
10, 15, 20, and then plus 2 was 22.
Okay, so 10 plus 10 equals 20, 21, 22. Okay, tell me how you're going to take away $4.
Well, first, I'm going to take away these 2.
Okay, so first you're going to take away 2.
And left with 20.
Okay, let me write this down for them first. So so you're basically splitting, you're going to take away 4, but you're going to take away 2. And then you're going to take away 2 more, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put these back so that everyone can see your steps. So you go 22 minus 2, and I'm just going to put this here, and we're going to take whatever we take away and put it in there, okay? So 22 minus 2, we'll put them in here,
Then
and that gives you
20.
What? 20. And you probably took away 2 so that you could get to 20, okay? Because 20 is a nice friendly number.
Yeah.
Okay, so 22 minus 2 is 20, and then we got to take away 2 more. So what's 20 minus 2?
18.
Yeah, because it's sort of like 10 minus 2 is 8, and then you have 10 more.
Yeah.
That was perfecto. Hi everyone, I have Benno here with me, and he's going to tell us how you can do 22 minus 4. So Benno, how do you want to do this question?
So I counted down with my fingers.
Okay, so you used your fingers, and what did you start off with? Did you start off with 4, or did you start off with 22?
I think I started off with 4.
Okay, so let's start off with 4 then. And you're finding the difference. So we're going to start off at 4, and I'm going to put this down so everyone can see it. And then you're going to count up using your fingers, and you're going to track how much you have to add on to get to 22, right?
So I started 4. So 4.
So 4 is in your mind, and then
5.
Okay, go really slow because I've got to. Okay, so 5.
6.
You've got one finger. Can you show your fingers really?
So 4, 5.
5. Where's your one finger?
4.
Yeah.
Then 5.
Yeah. Okay.
6.
Okay, so you've got 2 fingers. I've got 2 up here. Yeah.
7. 8.
Yeah.
9. 10.
Okay.
11.
Yeah.
12.
Okay.
13.
Okay.
14.
Okay.
15.
Oh, hold on, because you just used all of your fingers, right? So I'm just gonna put. Okay, so there's 14 there, right? Because you were at 14. Okay, let's keep on going.
15.
Okay, can you hold up your? Because now you've already
15.
done 10. Okay, so 15. Yeah.
16.
Okay.
17.
Yeah.
18.
Yeah.
19.
Okay.
20.
Okay.
21. 22.
22. Okay.
And then you need to count all these.
All of these green ones that we added, right?
Yeah, and then we'll get the answer. So
how did you count on your fingers though? Because you did a whole round, right? Let me just put this down so people can see. So you start off with 4. You did a whole round, right? And you got to 14.
Yes, because I started at 4.
Yep.
And 14 minus 4 is 10.
Yep. So we've got 10 green ones here. And then you kept on going, right? Then you went 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So you did a full round, and then you did 8 more. So what's 22 minus 4 then?
18.
18, because you did 18 fingers, and there's 18 green ones here, right?
Yeah.
Perfecto. Great job, Benno.